All right, what's up, my peeps? How you guys doing? This is Tuck Notes Beginner Stock Talk, and we've got some really good news to talk about and some other news that we need to talk about. We got a lot of news to talk about, and so we're going to cover it. I've got 4 stocks I'm going to talk about, and they all have, I've just finished taking notes from watching my mentor's video, and it's just got a really good vibe off of some of these stocks that I'm going to go into more detail about. So before we begin, if you could push the like button, I'd really appreciate it. Really helps with my growing and this channel that I'm trying to create on my own. And so that, without further ado, first topic is going to be ticker symbol TYME. Now, these stocks that we're going to go over, we've heard them before, okay? But we're going to hear more different things about them now. Now, TYME, if that's how you pronounce it, the last time we talked about it, which was on, actually, I looked at the date, and it was, what was it? Oh, no, it was 2 weeks ago. So 2 weeks ago, TYME was $1.15. And now, today, it closed at $2.16. So I caught on to that stock a while ago and saw it. And I you know, held on to it and just kind of forgot about it. And, you know, you can, and it raised, you know, $1. And so what happened was what has happened is there has not been any FDA approval catalyst that could affect the stock right now yet. However, be on the lookout, because if there is an FDA approval, this is a good one, we could see the stock go up 100 to 200%. If there's no FDA approval, we could expect immediate sell-off. So, you know, when this announcement comes, and I'm not sure how to figure out, we can just maybe like Google announcement for TYME FDA approval and figure out hopefully a date or something, and then know that day to pay attention to that specific stock. That's my advice. And so, yeah, that's that stock, and I would, you know, I'm not going to tell you what to do, actually. You guys do that. Next stock is ticker symbol Lpcn, Lpcn. Last time we talked about that, there were some problems with the FDA and the stock plummeted. It went down. And so now there is some news today saying that, this is verbatim, positive top line phase 2 results from Lpcn ongoing capital L, lowercase I, capital F, capital T study in biopsy confirmed NASH subjects. I'm not sure what NASH means, but I know what subjects is. That's patients. And you know, that was one of those ones that was kind of a sketchy one. I didn't get into it, but when we looked at it last time, it was $1.30, and then it rose to $1.80, and then there was and then there was an immediate pullback off of that, and now we're looking at it Lpcn at $1.65. So the pullback 15 cents, you know, but at least we're seeing progress going forward, which is the best part. And he said that in March 2021, there's a drug testosterone that could rally this stock specifically to the upside. So be on the lookout for that. The next stock that's been a really hot stock that everyone's talking about, and all the fake YouTubers out there are trying to sell sales pitches and whatnot. But you got me who's giving you the I don't have anything to benefit other than you liking my video. Is ticker symbol BNGO. It is right now $6.95. We talked about this when it was like $2 and something. I remember that. Today it had an offering which made the stock drop for good. It made the stock drop for a good buy price or buying opportunity. And Dave says Bingo has the potential to go up to $10. And he said that probably 5 or 6 times in the video in that little caption of talking about this one specific stock. So guys, if I'm telling you this right now and him saying this, this is the underlying subtle hints that YouTubers drop in between the lines, if you can read it, saying get in on this because it's only going to be going up right now. It's in an upward rally, so just jump on the train and just go up if you haven't. If you're on the train already, kudos, rock on. You know, and it's got, you know, good, it's got good potential for the future, really good potential for the future. You know, there's more institutions that are buying into Bingo. Let's just call it Bingo now. And one of them that actually is Vanguard recently bought into it. And so, you know, definitely keep your eyes on that stock. And it is near close to its free, whatever. Keep your eyes on that stock. Next stock, last stock. And I was checking this stock out before he even came up with his penny stock. I found it on Robinhood, so it's funny that he did that. I felt kind of like, oh, good job, Tuck. It is ZOM, and that's Zomediac Corp, and that's $1.01. When we talk, no, we never talked about it, but on November 2nd, 2020, it was 3 cents. Today, it's $1.40. Can you imagine, like, how high that, like, oh my God. But, and then it closed at $1. So that was this pullback, 40 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents. Big deal. You know, it can be, it's all relative. But lots of institutions, transactions are happening, and there's like 5 million shares available to buy. What is this? It's like it's a toolkit that's used to diagnose different diseases in animals, and it's like a home kit. You bring it, you buy it at home. And you keep it at home, and then you, like, you know, you draw blood, and then you put in the kit, and then it does this diagnosis. It's kind of cool, but in the past, people try to make this, and it hasn't gone well. This is according to Dave, not me, and so, but this, however, is looking good and promising. And here's the deal, though. You're still watching the video now. What's a good buy price? And Dave recommends 82 cents, maybe 62 if you're lucky. Or you can buy right now. However, if you wait till the offering, this is what happens, and I catch on this happens on the plus for me sometimes, is he'll make a video and then I'll talk about that video, and then the next day it's already on a rally, I just jump into it and just keep going. If I get it, if I jump into it and I kind of miss it right then I save a day trade to get out of it. You know, there's tactics to help yourself work like that. And so you could see an offering for this stock. So you know, but you know, the stock could go up to $3 to $4 before that happens, and that's cool. And the offerings aren't that bad, you know, if you're in do it for the long run. If you're doing it for the day trading, then you know, that's just part of the deal. You know how it goes. So today, the energy sector overall in the stock market did the best, and so far in the past, the energy sector hasn't done well, but this year, for some reason, it's doing phenomenal. It's doing great, unbelievable. And so that's why we talk about the stocks like Switchback and Charge with that Charge Point and Blink. And we talked about that stuff when it was at like at $12, remember? And now it's like 50. I mean, pretty cool stuff. We've made a lot of, not we've, but I know that the stocks that I've given and shared with you guys have all 100% doubled, which is rad. And that makes me feel really good to tell you. So, guys, remember that, you know, these stocks can easily go up 100%. And they can easily go down 100%. So be on the lookout for that type of stuff. All right. Just, I don't want to see you get screwed. So what I got out of the video though, guys, if you're still watching, is bingo. Focus on that one. All right. You want to follow me on Tuck Nuts, YouTube, on Instagram, it's at TuckerMLO. And you check out my blog at #Tucksblog. If you want to sign up for a free stock, you can sign up on my link at Robinhood or on WEBULL. Both of those links. I really appreciate that. I could use the money, and I'm sure you could too. All right. Have a good night. Bye.